recording? I am. I just had a near-death experience right now. Listen to Alicia Keys. The worst mistake, I literally damn near almost looped my bike. Holy crap. Hey, that is not a good way to start off my video. That's a sign to just clear off for the rest of the day. Oh my god. That is a sign. What's up? Oh, I almost died. Wow, I'm super stoked right now. I'm scared. Multiple incidents in a matter of 5 minutes. Ah! What the hell? So we dropped our bike, got a tank slapper, almost got hit, and we almost looped the bike in a matter of like 5 minutes of me riding my motorcycle. So I think today is gonna be pretty much a chill day. I'm gonna just try to relax for the day and just cruise. We got 636 Nick on the R7 and then boom, R6. So it should be a good day. Oh, my lever. Why is it so bouncy? There's so much play in this. I hate that. Why didn't you glue it yet? Why didn't you glue it yet? Should we get tape? We can get tape. Oh fuck! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was just going too fast. I'm so sorry. One ZX10RR. Yeah, so we got R7 full carbon fiber CBR 600 with the zero gravity. It's fire. Then we got 636 750. Fuck this bike, fuck this guy. R6 gang, and then a CBR 300. So we're gonna be riding, just getting some food and stuff first. Story time. Before I was actually about to get this bike, I was gonna buy an R7, but I didn't because of the price. They wanted 12, and I was like, man, I saw this R6, and I was like, let me just get the R6 instead. So I went to Dallas, got the R6. I actually was gonna buy this other one, but I got declined for my loan, so that one sold by the time I got it. And then this guy has the one that I wanted to get. He has it. It's white and it has like the red signs or whatever. Oh my god. Oh shit. But yeah. Yeah. In a big group like this too, it's pretty cool riding. I love riding in big groups like these because it makes you so much safer, but it's the group that matters. The group is what matters. You gotta make sure that you're riding in a good group, because if you're not riding in a good group, it'll be bad. You gotta make sure you're riding in a decent group. This is a pretty good group. They look so good. All the bikes look so good together. Of course, our ringleader, Treya. Oh, by the way, you guys, you have to follow me on social media. That's where I'm most active at, is Instagram. So you guys gotta follow me on there. That's like, you want to ask me questions, or you guys are in the area, you want to go ride, like, go to my Instagram. My Instagram is where I'm at majority of the time. Yeah, there's some people that's been hitting me up in the area. They want to go ride and stuff. Like, I know right now I'm considered a micro creator with the followers that I have, or a micro influencer, but I'm not anything crazy. I'm a normal guy as like anyone else. My God. I'm gonna respond as long as you don't send me anything crazy. Like, be respectful and don't send any crazy stuff. But I'm gonna respond, bro. That bike is loud. But yeah, there's a lot of people asking me about riding in the area and stuff. They want to go ride with us. See? There's too much traffic. Oh shit. Hey, let's see who can do it. You know, he got it. He got it. Yeah, so we're just gonna get some food real quick and we'll be back on the road, baby. Oh my god, yeah, trap me in, huh? Trap me in. Got my GoPro off, but this is so fire. This is so fire. Let me know if I get another bike. What do y'all want to see? Do y'all want to see? Y'all want to see a Ducati? What do y'all want to see? What bike do y'all want to see? Let me know. But this is so fire. I love this so much. This is beautiful. We're gonna go get some food at Chipotle. We'll see you guys in a bit.